So yes, young boy, I pack up in suitcase, ready to leave the island. Hey there, young boy. Man, I pack up. So ready to get your final, your review, bro, on Jamaica. Give the people my review for all those overseas.
I just got a message from my cousin. It says, by the way, it's cold here now with the snowstorm. Expected to get 20 coming back tomorrow, right? No, I'm not coming back at all.
You not ready yet, eh? Yo. So give us a review. First time in Jamaica, what would you say to people who never been to Jamaica?
Oh.
Your experience may be different from a lot of people.
Yeah.
Because most people
so
come to a
me,
hotel.
My experience was like, it feel like it's very similar back home. So I feel like it's really comfortable for me. I can really adapt so quick.
Yeah.
It's just like, this is just Philippines, but,
Damn,
it's
bro.
just Jamaica.
Everywhere
So
you go.
For like, because, we start from the bottom. I know how to live in bottom. Like, even with no gas, we can start with. We didn't have to do that, but
Yeah,
like,
if you don't have that, you
like,
can.
it's a scenario like that, I can live in a jungle or some whatever.
Yeah.
Not a jungle, that's so extra. No, yeah, but the heat, I can probably take it, That's why.
Yeah, just my
I
youth.
normally braced it,
But everywhere you go still. Just even without people on YouTube watching, even in person, everywhere you go, people just like it because you just have that vibration, that natural energy. And everybody say, yo, we like this guy. Like, I don't think you hear some of them when they talk. Because some of them are like, yo, your friend is cool. Because that's how you just get around with everybody. So that's good. You just fit right in, man.
Huh?
You fit right in, bro. It's like, as they say, it's like back home,
So yeah, it's really.
This guy's punching the sky right now. Yo.
30 centimeters. Like, are you kidding me?
Yo.
Give me a break.
So food-wise, the excursions.
I like it because mostly rice. You already know the thing. I can't live without rice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, get the muscle and all this.
Me not China man, you're.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
They say, tell him apart there again, man. Man said don't want to see man call him no China man. The man is a Filipino. He's Asian, not no China. Because that's the thing with Jamaicans,
I know.
Everybody see you call him Mr. Chin.
So sometimes I just like, nah, I'm not gonna turn back in unless you call me my general. Yeah, man.
You remember that guy that tried to fight you, bro?
Oh.
The guy when not fight you literally still, but
oh, the drunken guy.
The drunken guy who tried to go and like him and play karate.
This guy went to like, yo man, and then what? What the?
Yo, I had to jump out the car real quick because I'm like, I don't
know. We
know.
have that too back home, so like, okay.
But that's the thing, I don't know. I didn't. I was in the car, I didn't realize what was happening, so I had to jump out real quick because I'm like, what is this guy trying?
Let's say other colors, not specifically, but I'm saying all white, so like,
yeah,
they grew up in a nice first world country, so
yeah,
they might be hard to adapt for environment.
So in terms of places that would be,
probably they will like the weather because like that's why they came from here.
It's a nice hot weather. Yeah. So in terms of the places that you've been to, what do you say is your most memorable moment and the places you've been to?
Oh, memorable one?
Yeah.
Mostly all, but I'll pick two. Two things. First is the Jamaica Rastaman, Rastaman. Bob Marley.
Bob Marley Museum.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
R.I.P. my G. And the place that I feel like I'm really a tourist.
Yeah.
I like the place, the
Rick's
environment,
Cafe.
the vibe. Rick's Cafe.
Yeah, man.
Must check it out. Negro.
Yeah, that was a good thing.
That's a good
Just
place.
because if we
The
should have just do an
view,
Airbnb and stay there for the night,
Yeah,
man.
it's nice.
That was a
I like
good
that
way.
place.
Good
I
one.
probably come back there when I
That's the thing I told
When I'm
myself.
back
And
here.
during the summertime I went there, I told myself I want to go back there. It was nice.
No, it's nice.
And then it was full with people by the
I
time
know, that's
while
what
we
I'm
were
saying.
leaving.
The party is just still getting started, but we have to leave.
Because we have 3-hour drive
3
to
hours
reach home,
drive,
you know?
and you know we can.
And we have other things to do the next day.
The
The late night stuff, you know?
late night stuff since
We call it curfew.
some of the places in state of emergency.
Yeah.
So
Damn, bro. Food now. You said you don't talk about food already. So what's your favorite food out of everything you eat since you've been here?
in the snack, I
Snack
think
world.
beef patty is the snack, right?
Yeah, it's a snack.
I like that one.
So
Juicy patty.
juicy patty.
Juicy patty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sue you. You make this.
So yeah, this man I say I'm gonna sue
Only
juicy
for
patty.
3 days.
I have
I've
one pack
done
of
it
patty.
already.
You have a box of frozen patty right now in my bag. That me I tell you.
Yo, keep quiet, man.
This guy.
Now, I
But
have to work my ass up in the gym again.
yeah.
For solid, 6
Yo.
months solid, just to get ripped back again.
But that's it,
But
bro. You
at
have
least
to
I
enjoy
enjoy
yourself.
myself. I don't
Cook
really-
food wise.
Cook food, yeah.
I didn't get to bring it to a lot of cook shops or cook spots because I don't know much myself. You know what I'm saying?
But
And
next
most
time
of the place
we have to like, just hear it up and
search these things up. But most of the places I went to was my first time. But cook shop, cook food.
good.
What would you
man.
say was your favorite cook food since you've been in the country?
Well, you already know. I've been eating a lot of Jamaican food ever since.
Yeah, before
Canada.
before
You
Jamaica.
know,
yeah.
it's like,
But here on the
it's
island.
like very similar too. Again, it's with the rice, and I like that one with the rice and whatever.
Don't say no
protein,
rice and
like-
bean, no rice and peas.
Rice
you know.
and peas.
Yes,
I love
sir.
that. Rice and callaloo, I love that.
Yeah, Colorado rice, bad.
And I like the rice and pumpkin too.
Pumpkin rice, yeah?
Pumpkin rice.
Yeah,
It's
man.
good. But barbecue chicken, jerk chicken day. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Bad.
Bad.
And when I even get to
And
go.
then the
and-
oxtail that you made, that's good, man.
Big up,
Big up
man.
yourself.
Try,
Festival, yeah.
You love festival? I'm gonna
I
give
like
you the
festival.
recipe for festival.
We have that thing and thing, but we don't put it. It
You
just
put yours in
aside.
sugar?
It doesn't in Philippines. Yeah, we have that like. I forget
That's
what
why they
it's
say
called.
rolling sugar.
Yeah, man. rolling
Oh,
sugar.
it's like a chorizo then.
But we don't put it on the meal. It's literally on the side.
Like
Like,
a
you have
snack.
to buy it separately.
Oh,
But
that's
this one,
you sound like you
it's
make yours like
It's
chorizo.
like a whole package, which is good. You
Oh.
know, you get your meal, rice, and everything. After that, one sweet. There you go. You get your festival.
Our festival is sweet, but sometimes we
Yeah.
kind of make it a little less sweet in
Right,
Jamaica.
right.
Yeah, man. So sorry, beer, you tried that once. Yeah, man. So boss, carrying and you have a lot
I
of
love the lemon stripe.
the lemon
the
beer.
lemon rice
lemon
one,
beer,
yeah.
yeah. But you know, you never drink the this is the first one you got, man.
I haven't.
You haven't tried this yet. You tried the lemon and you tried the melon.
Yeah, man.
The lemon
But
is good.
Gonna go send it. You know the video.
When you come up,
it's
yeah.
Back Canada because I want it cold.
And when I'm coming up, if you like this, when I'm coming back, I bring you a few of these beers.
Yeah, man.
Because
I'm
I'm gonna have fun.
probably gonna stick this to the nose, to the snow.
Yeah,
You
what
know,
you get
use
cool.
the snow at least.
I know you.
But
What
yeah,
else? What
man,
else? Me for
yeah,
ask
I
you?
know.
What else? Me for ask you? Know?
Yeah, for safe travel.
Yeah, man, that is it. Because you know how many people, one of our friends living in Canada, sent you a video. That Kerry, big up yourself, Kerry. I don't know if you are what
Yeah,
you think.
respect.
You see, it's in our videos about that they're targeting Canadians specifically. It was on the news and thing where the Canadian government was warning us, because even we wanted to go to Montego Bay, and that was one of your main spots you wanted to go to. But I didn't want to risk that because him coming to Jamaica with me, I want to make sure
But
say,
at least I have a reason to come back.
yeah, because you
Yeah.
never been to Montego Bay where you wanted to go.
Montego Bay, watch out.
Yeah, man. But in all and all, man, I have to say, honestly, give God thanks. We do 9 days basically so far in Jamaica, and God bring us through the day them safely. We enjoy ourselves. You work within your budget. You got everything you wanted. You know what I say?
Nice budget.
You still have what, $1,500 left?
Well planned, bro. Well planned.
Well planned. Because that's the thing we never
Yeah,
showed.
that 1,500. That's gonna be a souvenir.
Like a souvenir money.
A souvenir.
That's like what?
Ticket.
12 Canadian dollars. But that's the thing a lot of people didn't see because we didn't record that where we went into the mall and we wrote down the places that we want to go on day 1, day 2, and so forth. You see me?
Yeah.
So we made a whole plan. So when we got up the next day after we came here,
But probably what places we didn't check that is on our
we
plan?
did everything, man. Yo,
No,
what
man, probably like
It's
2.
Yeah, man, I
Two,
finished
three places.
Tyron then I place, yeah,
you
dude.
see me?
Yeah, man.
Richard
Today, man,
made
going
it.
in the morning, eh?
Awesome, mate.
All that.
Richard made it.
Oh, dear. How you going with, man?
I get one for your Christmas near ready.
Hey, how that?
Richard made it, man.
Eh?
Awesome, made it.
I say, I go.
Respect for me.
Yeah.
Time round.
Let's get in final.
You say tomorrow, I'll cut out.
Oh, yeah, man. Let me ask you now. So, what you call this? So, your accommodation. What you say about the accommodation?
Oh, big up for yourself, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Well, it's like I don't want to feel like I'm tourist, but they treat me like a tourist, bro. Like, big up for yourself, bro.
Yeah.
This guy give me this whole room just for myself, you know.
You're good, my youth. You're good.
Yeah, like, you don't have to do that, bro, because I'm living for free already.
Nah, man, we're not even gonna worry about no staying. At the end of the day, when they tell me say I come Jamaica, you're good, bro.
Yeah, man.
That's just how it go. I know me tell me today when I come up, I say better when you go, all your clothes them. When you left, mommy I go wash them. And he come and mommy wash everything.
Mommy.
I'll fold him up.
And fold him and put him up. So the only thing the man have are just the clothes that we have on the 2 days down at Ochi.
That's all.
Yeah, man, I just have
So,
to- everything is
Fresh and
okay,
clean, you
that's-
see? Yeah, man.
So we treat people, Roger.
So I just save up and then touch down in the Philippines one at a time, you know? I might tell Roger, say, yo, even when Roger come, mommy and worry about, and I say, one day if Roger go like the place, I say, listen, Roger just down to earth. So probably I say, if me ever come to the Philippines with your family, me worrying. I don't watch nothing, bro. I'm just natural, down to earth, like I don't care. I live like how everybody live, yo. The man ramping, yeah, man.
No, fully Jamaican.
Yeah,
Yo,
me.
man, y'all didn't see my Rasta man thing, bro. What?
Where is that? Yeah, man.
Yo!
You say I miss Jamaica, you know?
I snow am I going out
I'm
tomorrow,
already
man.
missing it, bro. I'm
So you start over there?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Snow.
Rastafari. Yeah, man.
Yo, I have to get a phone, a Samsung, bro. I stop use my phone, you know?
Clean, you know?
I this man a phone take you all of my picture them and do some of my video, bro. The thing with film phone is when you take raw picture, you don't have to edit it again, you know.
Yes.
Whereas film phone, it kind of get a little dull, a little grey look. So you have to edit it and
Look at
what.
those bloods. Yeah, man.
Quality, man.
Bad. Whereas when you put in a portrait.
I say it's one quality clear.
Yeah, man. A portrait, them they put in a portrait and you see you get a quality out of it.
If you say clean series,
Yeah, man.
If you say from one clean series,
Man, yeah, I say the one.
You come like a camera, take it.
That me I tell you, man. You see them, man? Look at that. Go back. Look at that, bro.
Rasta.
Clean. No edit. No edit not upon that, yo.
How are your camera settings, Roger?
Setting? For what? Camera now? I just natural.
Yes, the natural factory settings.
But if
It's got a portrait,
probably
that,
it's
bro.
gonna be more good if I touch the Pro, but I'm still learning the Pro. Like it's
I
not
just
like
say
you have to
things.
adjust everything on Pro, but that one I just have to do. I don't want no headache. I'm not
Must
pro.
have been iPhone, so see.
I tell you, big man thing, the camera they sell off. And it's worse when you find a piece of sunshine. You get that natural sunlight there and then you put in a portrait
The
mode.
colors in pop.
Pop.
See that?
Bad. Yeah, man. But what else when I ask him? I ask you about the food. Driving. What you think about the driving now, bro?
Don't even ask.
So you see there, so what,
Yeah.
man? Drive fast.
Then no.
No, man, that in front of the road.
Oh, the one them out here.
It's not. Well,
Because Roger, your thing was you think that you
we have
would
a
reach
pothole
quick.
too, I'm not gonna lie, but this one is every single
Area.
line is just yo. Every
That's what you
pothole
do,
will
okay.
make me busy.
That's what you go on out here.
But not just that,
No,
in
but
terms of the length, bro.
Yeah, you need to
Fix
fix
up and
the
something there.
road, man. It's
Yeah,
not-
we're not even gonna shy and say that. Like, especially when I go say enough for going to the regular communities, but especially when I got these
Yeah,
tourist
that-
areas,
that's
bro.
true.
Fix up the place.
All the way from Manchester to Ocherios, be a patrol.
Be a patrol, man.
Be a
Big
patrol,
patrol.
I have to fix that, man. I have to fix that, bro. But Roger, that's like, remember you were saying something in terms of the length. Like, you thought because you're coming on the island, you would reach from one end to the other quick. But it wasn't like that, bro. Like 2-3 hours drive. Most of the day consists of driving. You see it? But, as I said, bro, overall, I'm glad to see you forward and you have a Good time. I'm not gonna lie to you. To them enjoy myself down at Dunchiver Falls. Man, this man
that-
climb
I
go
don't
up
know
the
if
falls
this-
and climb
I
come
I
back
don't know
down.
if it's this woman,
Yeah,
but
no,
this
I'm
one,
watching, not you.
mommy give me this
Hmm?
this free bracelet.
Yeah, man.
Big
She
up.
gave her as a souvenir. Hold
I
on.
want to stay down
Yeah, man.
Four people just say.
No, man, we just do our own Airbnb. Because our uncle him not have the spot there right now, you know? Do an Airbnb and because because the first day we go down there, just go link up Uncle Conrad because we only put traffic we reach on there after 3. So by the time we go up at the house at night. So I have to just we do the Airbnb, yeah. You see me? And then the next day now, we decide so we are gonna do Green Grotto Cave. But when look, you say Green Grotto Cave the day done because we tap and eat food. You say you don't want to do Airbnb again because someone want to do done so far. It makes sense to come back up and go down. I would have planned to do 2 things now and day. One thing we could have do, bro. One.
Alone.
Yeah, man.
Driving alone.
But it was a good look. Not gonna lie to them, I really enjoy the falls, man. It's nice.
Pretty.
We climb go right up here, slide couple times still and sitting, but it's nice because we buy the shoes. Them shoes, huh? We did buy this for the summer still, but.
The climb, you bought the shoes in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what even know?
Yeah, man, you have to get what I tell you, about man. How much me pay? $2,000 for me locally. And like Roger now pay, much I pay? $3,500?
Yo, just everything, man.
We're not gonna say it because the man said we don't have to say it, but we can just send a one place give you a blind and it was that day. We're not gonna really say it. Remember that day when we go there and we talk to the girl? The man said we don't have to say where it is because you know when people come feed them, gonna get. But one brother, he do the proper. He give Roger the local price and you know?
You give me the local part.
You remember man? When we yeah, but he said we don't really say it because no nobody come thinking they're gonna get that service all the time. But it's just cool, you know? Yeah, man.
Tourist from Jamaica.
And music.
Music's everywhere, man.
Yeah, man.
So they charge you so much money. Got you had
But I just say it, you just understand, but you know? But overall still, you know, like me not surprised at how he moved on the island. Because I just see him so Roger move to Canada just to see him.
Island boy.
Yeah, man, I say move to Canada, bro. I just I'm personality that, bro. Yeah, man, I'm personality, so it just 15 cents.
So Roger, you miss the place.
Yeah, man.
So you go on nice summer, you can try about nice summer.
Close,
Yeah, man, I just say it work you. But
Work again.
So you go on.
just the Canada vibe. One of them time, bro, when you start, do your own thing, become an entrepreneur.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
Yeah.
Spend a good
But it take time. As what we talk about me and Tyron, it's a thing that
Start
take
from the
time.
bottom again.
Yeah, I've been doing this for years. And now me can finally. I remember my 6-year-old
I
and you.
might start from the bottom, but I already have the knowledge.
Yes, that is it.
God, you see start from now, what do?
Mm?
Build up in thing.
So we can be able to know if we can come to Jamaica for a month.
When you see him,
You see what I'm saying? I work for a month. So it just takes time, bro. You just hit 26. You're Tyron the same age. Who older? Tyron older than you. Couple months.
Which one just one?
October. You're born February. So 226, but
Oh, you go both February?
yeah, we are Tyron February.
You have them a souvenir, Roger.
Yeah, man. I wear them, man. I say it's
When I
time.
watch up here and I call it different like things for
But for now, I can't wear this as soon as I came back because it's winter.
You can wear it inside of the restaurant. You can wear underneath the clothes if you got the mall and then take off your thing, you know?
Yeah.
But your style that too.
I just keep one souvenir as I visit to your country.
So we think so far as a host, we host Roger in our place.
Cool, man, Roger. You know, 15.
Yeah.
You know, 14.
You know, come in out no different from, you know? You know, make you feel awkward to have him in our place.
15, man. 15 for real. Come like we know him a long time.
Yeah.
Real talk.
15 for real, man. Yes, Roger, outside again.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Outside again.
Yeah, so let's start out scenario you took.
Long time. I said November snow start from a while now. And done on April. April sometime, eh? Snow finishes. Sometime we have like one last big fall in April.
It's a hailstorm. Hailstorm.
Right now, this I say not even know if I'm going to carry the youth in girls' school, so I'm not even sure I'm going with that.
27
say what
centimeters, bro. I'm coming. Oh my god, after this hot sunny weather.
Well, not Manchester, bro. Manchester is cold.
Manchester's cold.
Down in St. Mary and
Manchester's
St.
cold
Anne.
still.
Hot.
No, it's not hot. Like it's
Sticky.
warm. It's good. Like it's nice. Like you can literally take up your shirt.
We can't do that up here like that, so at the night.
Cool.
It's cold already.
Cool.
Don't so warm.
That's a cool thing, but the cold, see me?
Fuck up the thing, man. We go hear what mommy review I say. Yeah, mommy asleep. Then I lock off. Mommy. Backside. Gone in bed, yes. Mommy asleep, but right now mommy I say miss Roger. That's all we can tell her for now. It's cookie there bathroom. But yeah, man, that is it, man. Me tell you, man, say, yeah, you see this whole 3-day thing that you 1 week that you want to spend in Jamaica, not gonna match up. So overall, I'm happy to say him come in full joy himself. Most of these places that we went to was my first time as well. And if me for just say like it was just an effortless thing. Because I never that worry and I want if I go enjoy myself. Because one of the kind of go places I just saw we just roll. So nothing never change. We just stay in a one different location. And in full joy himself. I just start to time could come on certain excursion the same way because you don't know. You have work and all of them things differently. You know, and Ella same way what. One of them time, man. Because I see him, so me I go out in the weather like that vibe there. It's like when me that go out and you turn up and you watch back certain way and you saw when you go out. That just a vibe there. If me I go somewhere, me not have to say nothing to you and you understand what me I say and me understand what you say. Because me understand when I go up on the road, you don't have to say nothing to me and me not say nothing to you. We just know what it is. I just 1 or 2 times we say, yo, because we want to come out, I can walk some place. I say, yo, you know what? We're starting a state time because nobody are pre with certain way. Because I'm not going to lie to you. You see, after they send me that whole thing about them target Canada and that thing, it's like me get more protective because I say, Jano, I want to know, say, yo, man, come in and him reach back safe. So after a while, I just stop go up on the road late with him. You know what I'm saying? But enjoy yourself, eh? Full joy. Yeah, one thing you never get to do on a party, bro. But it's nothing that you're missing, you know. They're all over the place, eh? Yeah, they have security and everything. But all in all, man, that is it. My most grateful part about this trip, I say, yo, we go out, we have fun. Roger safe, me safe, you know what I say? Everybody there was safe. We just pray for a safe trip back to the airport. Safe flight for Roger to go back to Canada, same and reach back home. Safe drive for you if you come back. And that is it, man. We give thanks. And Roger say, you don't start following Molly on the Instagram. You see me? What you say? Tell the girl if you're single.
Oh.
Tell the girl if you're single or no. Man say I'm single, you know. So you what? Jump in at the DM. You like tickers. You see me, you want a nice chocolate skin. If you have brown in it, we work with it too, you know, but you know prejudice. You say if you have dark skin, brown skin, any skin, that's how I work with it. But you like the tickers?
Yeah, I'm saying.
Instagram at Raja Servi to see it right, yes, so. You like it slim as the tickers, them, but when you see big batty girl, them, you hear them bulge out. But I just say thing, man, big up everybody. Leave a comment. You see me? I don't know, and because Raja come and Jamaica, Raja the pan flag. You always say pan flag, them, you see it. So that is it. Big up everybody for watching. Now, when I go see no flag every day, like, because Raja there, no gone now, you know, so. I go vlog, see when through the Christmas. But I now go do it every day. I say, tomorrow is going to be a rest day for me. After I drop off Raja at the airport and I come back, I go sleep in. You see me? Because I'm up early man time. No, I'm going to wake up back. Because I'm really glad to say I broke my cycle. Come here to Canada, I'll be 11 o'clock I wake up, bro.
Yeah.
Because I come to Jamaica in the summer and mash up my routine. But since Roger come to Jamaica with me, and we have to get up early, my body get used to back to the 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So I'm glad for that, you see me? So that is it, man. As I say, if I can record mommy and man, hopefully I go drop mommy out before I carry her to the airport. I left out 6 o'clock. I go edit out all of them videos. Edit up some cooking videos. You see what I say? Do some cooking videos. Start make record some videos at daytime for cooking and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna log off and then when we see our next vlog on the trip to the airport. But that is it, man. Big up on yourself, no fluff, full love, and stay safe.
Yeah, man, don't worry. We'll be back soon.
Mad.
Check out.
Outside.
Not the last one.
Mad.